Yeah, I did see that with Snoop Dogg and Willie Nelson. That was good. All right, y'all, welcome in. It is Wednesday. We got a lot to do today. A lot to do. So let's get at it. Trader nerds, you trader nerds, you. Let's see what's going on in the market. Let me hide my account number so y'all don't steal my stuff. Not that y'all would, but somebody on the recording might. So let's see how we're doing today. Let's see how the markets are doing. Market is down. Oh my gosh. Cancel crash, y'all. Wee! She's a floating down, baby. So let her go, let her go. We need some down days, actually. So let her go, let her go. So let's see how this looking here. Let's see. Volume is 3,000. It's very low volume, y'all. And then look at that candle there. Wow. So we just bumped past VWAP. Here's the overnight high. So, just kind of a down day. Let's see what the kind of a flat day. Let's look at the big green monster, see what she's saying. Remember, our target on the upside was achieved yesterday. I told you, we're going to 48.30. And do not be surprised that 48.30 will be an inflection point. And so now we're bouncing off the 48.30. How does the big green monster know this? When we drew the big green monster 19 days ago, it just does. I don't know how it works. I don't know why it works. We probably shouldn't tell anybody, but we have a system. Now, what's going to happen is price should probably fall back within this area here. Probably should come back to the new point of control. Did I not tell you we'd have a new point of control? And indeed we do. The old point of control was down here, new point of control here, and it may want to test these values here. So, but it could go up before it goes down. But the big green monster, this was a line I drew back on December the 1st. Today is December the 20th. How does Daddy do it? All right. So, with that being said, let's go to the Crimson account and let's see how old Crimson doing today. It is Wednesday, right? Yeah. Crimson is at 23,013. 23,013. All right. Let's see if we're up or down. Dang it. I don't know why all these accounts are down. We should have had some little data decay or something, but maybe the VIX is up just a little bit or so. 23,013. We're just kind of sitting where we're at. See if any trades need adjusting. Nope, everything looks good. Let me get rid of this. So it'll just show your open trades. Here we go. So nothing needs adjusting. Everything looks good. We may even do a Black Swan hedge in this account today. We just might do it. So we'll see. Let's see how our Greeks and ratios are doing today. Greeks and ratios, we are at 25, 23. All my accounts have about the same delta as theta, 25, 23, 25, 23. There we go. That's where we want to be. VIX is at 12. Let's see what our buying power is. Our buying power is 6,700. And I think let's do that. Let's do a Black Swan hedge in this one. What did I say? 6,300 or 6,700? 6,700. Okay. So we got enough theta, right? So now we're going to do, in this account, we're going to do a Black Swan hedge. Why? Well, why? Because we are at the top of the fair value range. I want everybody to see that again in the chart. We are at the top of the fair value range. If we have a horrible pullback, that's not a horrible pullback, but if it, that's what, 150 points or so back to here, that's a pretty good little size to the downside. And the best time to sell hedges, y'all, is after the market is up. So I think it's a good day to put in the Black Swan hedge. So let's go to it and show you how it's done. Okay, so here it is in the account, and we don't have any hedges in this account, so we want to do a Black Swan hedge. So let's go trade the E-minis. Whoa, Bobby, you normally trade the micros in this. Indeed, I do. But on this hedge, I like having it in the micros. So I'm going to go about to where we're 120 days out, 121 days out. And I'm going to sell 12. I'm going to sell 12 and buy 20. Seems like a big hedge, doesn't it? So we want to go down to where we can sell something for about $3. So let's go to the 2,900s, 2,900s. And we're going to do 4 tranches of these things. So I'm going to sell 12. Let's see if we got enough buying power to do 12 of these. Probably not. Let's see. Hold on. Let me do the 20 first. Let me buy the 20 first. I'm going to buy 20 of these. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to buy me 20 hedges right there. And I'm going to go down to mid price, see if we get filled. Nothing. There we go. It's good. 305. I'm glad I went down 305. Now I can probably sell the 12 against it. Okay. So we're buying 4 tranches. So let's go here and let's sell 12. 11, 12. And we want to get as much money as we can here. So we'll go to the mid price there. If we do that. There we go. There we go, Bobby. There you go, buddy. Now, what did that give us? That gave us 4 complete tranches of a Black Swan hedge. Now, let's go to the Analyze tab and look at that. So, ES, here are our ES trades. Let's make sure we're just showing the ES trades. So, we're going to hide simulations and just show our, what is this? Oh, I don't want that. That's our something other. And then let's see. Yeah, all single series, option. Where's the rest of my options? Oh, here it is. Anyway, this should be it. Let's see if we got our thing here. So if it looks like this, there you go. And then we'll go vol step, 4 vol steps, move that up to 10. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Black Swan hedge. So you see, if the market were to fall down 5%, 12%, or 20%, oh, sweet Bobby is going to be up $86,000. $86,000. Beautiful. I love it. Okay. That's that. Any questions on the Black Swan hedge? And that's doing 4 complete tranches, all at the same time. Okay. Now, what we want to do is we want to put a good to cancel order on those. Let's see. Let's do this. Let's do our unallocated. And let's go down here and put these in the Black Swan hedge. All right. So we'll do this and we'll call this move to group. And we'll add group and we'll call it Black Swan hedge 1. Okay. Now, so let's go find it. Black Swan hedge 1. So what we want to do is we want to find those shorts, and what we want to do with them is close them. Okay, create a closing order. So we're going to buy those back when we can buy those back at 20 cents. Everybody with me? And then we're going to put in a good till cancel order. So we want to buy a good till cancel order, those at 20 cents each. So we'll do confirm and send. Ta-da! So we got us a little working order there. Okay, great. Great. All right, let's go to the, I need to put them in my thing here. Oh, here, let me tell you how to do this too. So here's what you do. You go ES, and do 12 contracts, 20 contracts. And this is BSH1, BSH1. Here, puts. And then you're going to put short hedge in 121 days, I think, 12, 20, 23. Now I'm hoping the market crashes. And what do we get filled at that for? Let's see. Let's put them. I got nothing but time, y'all. So I'm going slow today because I'm off my Adderall. So I just have taken one today. So I'm trying to get back to the goodness. So I got sold those 2900s at 325. 2900s at 325. 2900s at 325. And then we bought the 2850s puts. And this is long hedge. 121 days, 12, 20, 23. And we did those at 12 of those 2850s at 305. 305. All right. And the coal is, so that cost us about $100, $1,100 or so. Okay. For the hedge. But we are hedged to the hilt now, baby. I mean, we are hedged, baby. So when you go over here to realized returns, you'll see that we've got 20 naked positions. We've got 12 debit spread put positions. We've got 12 short hedges, and we've got 21 long hedges. Wow. I don't know. I've got an extra long in there somewhere in another different trade. So we're doing really, really good and ready to rock and roll. All right. So let's go to let's see here. Tasty Trade login. See if we can see what these are. There we go. Yeah, I know y'all got something new coming up. All right, let's go to the Bobby account first. So the Bobby account is at 41,352, 41,353, 41,353, going once, 41,353. We'll call that. 40. Hey, turn that down, y'all. Daddy's in a session. 41,353. Oh man, we're down $1. 41,353. Da 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 da. All right. So we lost $1 there. Darn it. All right. So Greeks and ratios in that account is, now it's taking me a while to remember these accounts, y'all. The Bobby account is this one. So let's see. Over here, we are at 25.35, 38, 25.35, 25.35, 25.35. Hold on. 25.35, 25.35. Still under a little bit in theta, aren't we? We need a little more theta. So let's go over here and see how much buying power we're using. So we want to trade on this one. Here we go. And so positions, our ES positions and all of our positions are only taking up $8,700. And we've got 29,000 in bill, but only 87 in our stuff. 8,700. So we got buying power to put to work, y'all. And I say, let's do it. Let's put on another trade here. We don't have enough theta in there. So let's trade this account, MES. Let's go to trade, MES. We go to 121 days. And we need to buy a 24 delta right there, right? For $8. Let's move that up a little bit so we'll get our put debit spread in. And field. And then we'll go down to the 5% probability of being in the money, which is rounded in this 3,900. Let's go to the 3,950 again. And let's do 2 of those. Beautiful. We are in, baby. All right, everybody, we are in the trade. All right, so everything's looking good. Now, do we want to do a Sweet Bobby hedge or Black Swan hedge over here? I don't know. I think I want to buy another 100 shares of Bill, though. Let's buy 100 shares of Bill. Oh, don't have enough buying power. Okay, I thought we would with 94%. That's fine. We don't need that then. Hold on. I'm trying to think if I want to put the Sweet Bobby hedge in on this one. We should take a poll. What do y'all think? Yes or no? Someone give me a hands up if you think we should do it over here.
Go to your position. I thought I saw an ES in that one.
Let's see, positions. I got an ES something, don't I? What is this? I don't know what that is. 86 days. Oh, it's a 1-1. It's a 1-1, 1-1-1, it looks like. Huh. I got a 1-1-1 trade in there. That's interesting. All right, we don't have to put one in this one. Let's see. What are y'all saying? Y'all are saying yes. Okay. We only have 1 vote for yes. So let's see if we can put a hedge in here then. All right, so let's go 121 days. And what do we say? The $3 was at 2,900. So we bought 28.50. So let's buy 20 of those. All right. Quantity 20, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So that's going to credit my buying power. What do you mean the strategy is not supported? Try legging in. Legging into what? Oh, it's doing the spread. Hold on. Let's clear this. Clear order. 28.50. There. Buy. We're going to buy 20 of those. In. Now we should sell 12 of those. There we go. So now we got our thing. So I think what I'll do too is I'll go ahead and do a good till cancel order on this. See how I do it here. Uh-oh. Positions. ES M4. Yeah, here we go. So close position. Close those 12. And we're going to do a GTC. And we're going to close those down at 20 cents. It's just easiest to go ahead and put these orders in, right? Go ahead and close that at 20 cents. There we go. Yeah, there we go. All right, so we got our hedges in, y'all. So we are looking good. Now that we've done that, it looks like we can buy some shares of Bill. See that? 72.1. Now it looks like we can get the buying power relief to go in and do some Bill. Let's go do some Bill. Review order. Beautiful. All right, that's at 77%. Let's buy some more Bill. That moves us to 83%. Let's buy some more Bill. Should get us at 88%. See if we go one more. Uh-oh, account doesn't have buying power. That won't let us do that. Okay, so we're good. We got our billing. All right, now let's go see the big account. So we got this one, right? Got this one. Hold on, that's the mega there. So let's see how we're doing in the mega account. 12, 20, 23. So we were at 454, 442. Let's see what we are today. 454. I think this is it. 454, 337. 454, 337. Down a little bit. All right. Greeks and ratios for this one. Let's move it to there. Do that one. And Greeks and ratios are 192. Look at there, y'all. Delta to theta is just perfect. And look at this. The delta to theta on that one is 3 and 3. That's unbelievable. 192, 191. 192, 191. Come here, little feller. 192, 191. 192, 191. And we are at a bits of 12. And we are using how much buying power? Let's go to positions. Okay, so our ES stuff is taking up 82,400. So I see 82,400. Okay. So in this one, it's time to do a trade. Now we're going to have to sell some bill here, y'all, in order for us to be able to put on a trade, right? So let's see what our last time we did a Black Swan hedge, right? We did a Black Swan hedge. We harvested some of those. So last time we did a 2 trancher. So this time we'll do a 1 trancher. So of a 1-1-2 trade. So let's go look at that. See how much buying power we got to clear out. Help, I knew what I was doing. Again, Adderall takes a while to get back in my system so that I'm normal. So what are we doing with this one? We're trading this one, and we're at 100% buying power. So we know we got to at least sell 100 bill, right? We got to at least get rid of some of those. So let's go close position of bill, and we want to sell 100 shares, maybe 200 shares. There we go. Now that got us down to 96%. So, yeah. So let's see how much we got to do to put on now our little 111. So let's go trade the ES. We're going to 112. So let's do the put debit spread first. We know that'll give us a little buying power relief in and of itself. So 121 days. All right. 121 days. And we'll go about that 25 delta. So that's here, but we want to buy where we bought and sell where we sold. So let's buy the yeah, that's fine. Let's do that and that. And we're just doing one tranche. So 675. It's a little cheap. That's fine. We got to make that go up a little bit more. Working orders. Working. Let's replace order. Pay a little bit more. Why is that not feeling? Come here, baby. A little bit more. That ought to feel. And we are in. So now, let's see how much buying power it's going to take us to sell two of the, I'm getting confirmed, the 5 deltas, right? So we want to sell this 39.50, and we want to do 2 quantities of those. So about 16.25 is where we're going to be, and it says that we got the buying power to do it, I think. Okay. There we are. We're in. So that puts us at 99.4% buying power. So we closed just enough to get the in on that. So the other thing I need to do now is just to make sure I put that into my spreadsheet. So let's go to activity. So we did the 45, 50, 4500s, 45, 50, 4500s, ES, 45, 50, 4500s, 45, 50, 4500 puts. And this is a debit spread at 121, right? Yeah, 12, 20, 23. And we got in at that at, what was the price again? We got filled at $7. No, we filled at $6.95. $6.95. So we'll say we did one tranche of that, and we're going to call this PDS 7. All right, so we did 2 tranches there, or 2 contracts there, and this is the naked put 7. And we sold the 39.50 for 16.25. 39.50, 16.25. 39.50 for 16.25. That's a put. That's a naked. 121 days, 12, 20, 23. Isn't that beautiful? God, this is great. Now let's see what our thing looks like now, y'all. Let's go and see what our risk profile looks like over here. So let's go portfolio, looks like that. Let's make sure we update it with the latest trades that we've got on. Yep. There you go, y'all. Show me where we've got a loss on the board. Anybody? Anybody? That is impressive. Market goes up, we make a set amount of money. Market goes down, we make an astronomical amount of money as long as it doesn't do it quickly. Because if it does it quickly, y'all know what happens, right? If the market went down today, we would have losses going down like this. But as long as we expire with the market in those areas, we make a chunk of burning love right there, baby. That is a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. That's what we're going for. All right. Any questions? Any comments? If not, I will see y'all tomorrow.